When you're in a place like this, playing cricket must be the last thing on your mind. Beyond boundaries, to the wilds of South Africa. 6 Indian legends and 6 South African legends. A double wicket format of 12 overs each. In the presence of Sharmila Tagore, the Nawab of Pataudi was part of the match the last time. And it was the Sandeep Patil Kapil Dev blitz that saw India scoring 143. But they lost 3 quick wickets as well, which meant South Africa had a winning target of 99.
Well, I think so. I mean, it's a very useful score. Difficult to know on an outfield like this, but I think what an absolutely unbelievable concept this is. You know, to think here we are in the wilds of South Africa with game all around you, and we've got a cricket match, a cricket field, and hats off to Phil Russell enjoying it. And we're looking forward to try and chasing down that.
And Paul Adams has evidently learned to bat. South Africa's hero though was Lance Klusener.
God! From South Africa. And he told him that 2 discussions of full delivery. God!
In the end, Proctor and Graham Pollock took South Africa home.
No, it was great. You know, it was very nice to win. You know, having Graham batting at the end there was, I think, great for all the viewers. It was really good, and as Graham said to me walking off, team from 1970 doesn't lose. Tongue in cheek, obviously.
They played better, and we tried very hard. So it was a good game. We enjoyed. Never ever thought in my life I'll come out in the wilds and play cricket.
But the cricket was incidental. It was about the fun and about taking cricket beyond boundaries. And that was a success.
If you look at it, I think what we went out to try and achieve, one was try and make sure that the positive effects of wildlife and the great conservation efforts of Africa are highlighted through this unique game in the wild. So the world cricket legends have come here and put off absolutely fabulous performance.
The first edition was played on snow in the Swiss Alps, this time in the South African jungles. Where will the third edition be? Sports Bureau, News X.